Secrets to preserving garlic for a whole year without spoiling. Welcome back to the Clever Tricks channel. Every year, millions of families throw away garlic simply because they don't know how to store it properly. It gets moldy 2 weeks after buying it. If stored in the refrigerator, it will darken and become slimy. If left outside the kitchen for a few days, it will dry up or sprout. Either way, it will be ruined and wasted. The problem isn't the quality of the garlic you buy. The problem is how you store it after you buy it. In this video, I will guide you through 4 proven methods for preserving garlic, helping it last from 6 months to a year while retaining its flavor, preventing mold, sprouts, and waste. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Have you ever wondered why garlic spoils? Before entering the kitchen, I want everyone to understand what the enemy of garlic is, because if you don't understand the reason, even if you follow the instructions correctly, you can still fail. First, there's humidity. This is the #1 cause of mold. The most common mistake is buying garlic and leaving it in its tightly sealed plastic bag. The moisture couldn't escape, causing the garlic to rot from the inside out without us even realizing it. Secondly, there's the temperature. Garlic prefers a cool, airy place. If kept near a stove or grill, it loses moisture quickly and wilts within a few days. Thirdly, there's the issue of light. Direct sunlight stimulates garlic to sprout, at which point the nutrients in the cloves are significantly depleted and the aroma becomes much weaker. Method 1. Storing whole garlic bulbs. With whole garlic bulbs, just remember 2 words: dry and well ventilated. First step, remove the plastic bag immediately. Transfer the garlic to a mesh bag, wicker basket, or simply a paper bag with a few small holes for air circulation. Choose a well-ventilated corner of the kitchen, away from direct sunlight, the stove, and the microwave. A little-known tip: never store garlic with potatoes. Potatoes release moisture and ethylene gas, causing garlic to sprout much faster. And what about the refrigerator? Only use it when the weather is extremely hot and humid, or after you've separated the cloves from the bulb. Whole garlic bulbs stored at room temperature in a cool, well-ventilated place are ideal. Method 2. Jar with ginger and salt. Place the garlic in a clean, dry glass jar. Prepare a paper towel. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to it. 3 medium-sized slices of ginger. Wrap the tissues in a bundle and tie it securely with a rubber band, creating a compact package. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place this packet together with the garlic in the jar, then seal the jar tightly. Why is it effective? Ginger has natural antibacterial and moisture-absorbing properties. Salt helps to disinfect and maintain a dry environment inside. The glass jar also prevents humid air from affecting the garlic, the main condition for garlic to sprout. Store the jar of garlic in a cool, dry place. The garlic can be used for up to a year while remaining intact. Method 3. Preserving peeled and chopped garlic. Tip 1. Short-term storage. Use within 1 to 2 weeks. Peel a batch of garlic in advance to use throughout the week. Place in a glass container with a tight-fitting lid. Line the bottom with a layer of absorbent paper and cover with another layer on top. Then put it in the refrigerator's cooling compartment. The paper absorbs excess moisture, keeping the garlic cloves dry and preventing them from turning brown or becoming slimy. Tip 2. Freeze whole cloves. Use within 1 to 3 months. After peeling the garlic, let it dry completely. Absolutely no water should remain on it. Put it in a zip bag. Squeeze all the air out. Then put it in the freezer. When you need to cook, take out a few cloves. Chop directly while still cold. The garlic remains crispy and retains its aroma. Method 3. Frozen minced garlic. Use within 4 to 6 months. This is my favorite method and also the simplest of the 3. Grind the garlic until it's medium fine. Don't grind it too finely. Retain some texture so the garlic is more fragrant when sautéed. Spread evenly in an ice tray or spread thinly in a Ziploc bag, then use the back of a knife to score it into small squares before freezing. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Once the garlic is frozen solid, break it into pieces and put them in a container for later use. Each time you cook, just take 1 tablet. It's done in 2 seconds. No peeling, no chopping required. A simple calculation. A jar of pre-minced garlic from the supermarket usually costs 3 or 4 times more than the same amount of fresh garlic, and that's not even including preservatives. Making it yourself this way is cheaper, smells better, and you know exactly what you're eating. Method 4. Preserving garlic using an air fryer. Have you ever preserved garlic using an air fryer? Garlic spoils quickly due to humidity. Air fryers with convection hot air flow function like mini dryers. It removes moisture evenly, kills mold, and doesn't cook the garlic if the temperature is adjusted correctly. First, choose garlic cloves that are firm and not bruised. Separate the shrimp, leaving the shells on, and wipe off any dirt or sand. Arrange the garlic cloves in the basket, but don't stack them too thickly. Set the temperature to 60 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, drying, not baking. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring gently once in between. The crust should be crispy and dry to the touch. Wait until the garlic has completely cooled before placing it in an airtight glass jar. If it's still warm, steam rising from the jar will spoil it immediately. Store in a cool, dry place. It can be used for a whole month. After drying, peel, finely chop, and freeze. This is both convenient and preserves the aroma better than fresh garlic. Try this tonight with a few cloves of garlic you have in your kitchen. Would you like me to give you more instructions on how to make pure garlic powder using an air fryer? Let me know in the comments. With just a few simple changes to storage methods, you can buy garlic once and use it comfortably for 6 months. No worries about mold, sprouts, or the time-consuming preparation needed for each meal. As for the frozen minced garlic recipe, I recommend everyone try it this weekend. Make it once and enjoy it for a whole month. It's totally worth it. If this video was helpful to you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next cooking tips. And a quick question for you: how are you storing your garlic? Or would you like me to make another detailed video tutorial on how to make fragrant fried garlic oil? Leave a comment below. I read them all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.